Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. For those of you that are new, I typically repaint dolls on my channel, mostly Monster High, but today's video is something a little different. I'll be customizing a Breyer horse to look like my friend's black and white paint, Masita. He may look familiar if you've seen some of my other videos. He can often be spotted in my horse clips at the end. He has stunning markings. I will try my best to do him justice. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm trying to keep the markings as authentic as possible, but I have to take into consideration that the figurine's proportions are a little different and also that it's in motion. I'm using a very watered down gray acrylic paint to try to create a blend between the white and the black. Once I finished painting, I sealed my work with 2 coats of matte varnish off camera. Make sure to use a respirator mask if you're spraying this varnish. I then add 2 coats of Vallejo varnish to the eyes. This ended up being perfect for the eyes because it's not so glossy and reflective that the details underneath get lost, but it's also most definitely not matte like it claims. In my opinion, it provides a nice realistic finish. With the paint sealed and eyes varnished, this custom is complete. Let's take a look at Masita's final photos. And that's a wrap on today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see more Breyer Horse repaints in the future, or if you prefer the doll repaints. And until next time, take care.